Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the life of an accomplished and successful figure in the world of motorsports, Robert Hight. If you're a fan of drag racing, you've likely heard his name. But if you're unfamiliar, stick around, because Robert Hight's journey is one of passion, perseverance, and achievement. Let's explore who he is and what makes him stand out in the world of NHRA drag racing. Born on May 20th, 1969 in California, Robert Hight's interest in cars and racing started at a young age. Growing up around the culture of motorsports, it wasn't long before he was drawn into the high-speed world of drag racing. Like many athletes, Robert's passion started as a hobby, but it quickly evolved into something much bigger. Hight started his professional racing career with a focus on the NHRA, or National Hot Rod Association, one of the most prestigious drag racing organizations in the world. But before stepping into the driver's seat, he worked as a crew member for other top-tier teams. His behind-the-scenes knowledge of the sport gave him valuable experience and insight into what makes a race car go from good to great. Hight's breakthrough came when he became a full-time driver for John Force Racing, one of the biggest names in NHRA history. This was a game changer, as Robert quickly proved that he was more than capable of competing at the highest level. In 2005, he made a huge impact when he won the NHRA Funny Car Championship. This victory was a testament to his skill, speed, and the dedication he put into his racing career. Over the years, he continued to build on that success, securing multiple wins and championships. As of now, Robert Hight has established himself as one of the most dominant drivers in the funny car category, racking up dozens of career victories, including several NHRA national event wins. He's known for his consistency, precise driving, and ability to stay calm under pressure, traits that are crucial in drag racing. Some of Robert Hight's most significant accomplishments include his 2017 NHRA Funny Car World Championship and his consistent finishes in the top tier of the funny car rankings year after year. But his achievements aren't just measured in titles. He's also been an influential figure in promoting the sport and giving back to the racing community. Hight is also recognized for his professional approach to the sport. He's been instrumental in shaping the modern drag racing scene, bringing new fans to the sport while maintaining the traditions that make NHRA racing so exciting. In fact, his relationship with his team, especially with legendary drag racer John Force, has been a major part of his continued success. The mentorship and support Hight receives from Force have played a pivotal role in his growth as a racer. Off the track, Robert Hight is known for his humility and commitment to his family and community. He remains a down-to-earth individual despite his success in the fast-paced, high-stakes world of professional racing. This ability to stay grounded is part of what has made him such a respected figure in the racing world. So, whether you're a longtime NHRA fan or just getting to know Robert Hight, his journey is a reminder of what hard work, passion, and dedication can achieve. From his early days as a crew member to becoming one of the most successful funny car drivers in the sport, Hight's story is an inspiration to anyone chasing their dreams. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed learning about Robert Hight's impressive career, make sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth profiles of legendary figures in motorsports. See you next time.